Hello, hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Here in this video, we are going to see and discuss about how to upload a local project to a GitHub. If you are new or else if you are experienced, then also try to watch this video. And if you don't know anything also, watch this video. You will get a clear steps how to do in simple manner. Okay? Without further ado, let's enter into the video. First of all, you need to have a GitHub account to be created. First of all, you need to have a knowledge on Git, like why it was used. It is for source code management. So many of the companies adopt Git to store their source code in that and to maintain a collaboration among the teams. Okay, and first of all, you need to create a GitHub account and just go to github.com and create a profile. And once your profile is created, go to your profile and click on plus icon beside your profile and go create a new repository. And there you need to give a name as per your requirement, and you can make it public as or else private also. If you are okay to view or visible for public, you can keep it as a public. And if any confidential data or if any project you are working, then keep it in private. And click create repository. Now your repository got created. Now open the command prompt in your system and move to the location wherever you want to like upload that particular folder into the GitHub. Just move by using cd command. And once you move to the particular folder, here let's say new folder, you need to upload that particular new folder into a GitHub. Then go to that particular new folder and type git init command and hit enter. Then it will initialize a empty git repository in that particular location wherever you are. And type git add space dot full stop, where it will track a local changes and add those changes into the like staging area. Okay, and git add space dot, keep remember. And git init first command git add space dot. And then next command was you need to enter a commit, git commit -m and commit message and hit enter. It will make a commit of your changes, and this particular commits can be visible in the GitHub also. You can track all the commits. Then once that particular commit was done, earlier we have created a GitHub account, right? Go to that particular repository and there is a copy of your URL. Just click on a copy of that particular remote repository. URL will be copied. And then the command was git remote add origin, and paste that particular command just you copied from GitHub URL. Git remote add origin and space URL and hit enter. Then it will add this particular staging area to remote repository. Now whenever it will going to connect your URL to. Okay, now we are going to push whatever the changes from staging to remote repository. Already we have pushed the changes from local to staging by using git add dot. Later we have configured our remote repository URL. And then this is the final command, git push origin master. Based on the branch, let's say if you explicitly created any specific branch like main or any future branch like that, then you need to pass that particular branch only. If it is if you haven't created, then by default it is a master branch. Then you can create type git push origin master. Then you can track your whatever the local folder is there, that will be uploaded into the GitHub repository. Then if you wanted to get the changes, if you changed something inside the GitHub, then you need to get those particular changes into your local repository. Then just use git pull instead of push, git pull origin master. Okay, and let's say if you wanted to clone the repository directly from GitHub to your local, then in that case you need to use git clone and repository URL you need to use. As of now, for uploading, we need to just follow just 3 or 4 commands. Let me go through it. You need to use git init and git add, later git commit -m and commit message, and then git remote add origin and URL, and git push origin master. And 2, 3, 4, 5 commands you need to use. Okay, I think you got some knowledge or idea to how to make this. Do more practice, obviously you will get some more learning, and then you will get some perfection in it. And stay tuned for more videos. Thank you for watching the video.